2015 Kenworth W900 extended hood. This has a 600 horsepower Cummins engine in it that has been replaced in 2019, has about 100,000 miles on it. It's a really nice truck from what I can tell, runs good. This truck is deleted, so keep that in mind when you're buying it, that you'll be able to run a truck or put that stuff back on the truck. So I think everything's there but the filter, the DPF filter, so that would be the only thing you'd have to replace. Inside of the truck looks pretty nice. You did extend the shifter, so you can take it back to where it was if you want the regular shifter, or keep it like this. It does have navigation, has Sirius XM radio, it has Wi-Fi. It's got all kinds of stuff on that computer. It's pretty cool. Got your light switch to flash your lights. Cruise control, which is on right now. Shut it off. It's with the cruise control off. Your engine brakes. So maybe that's your high beam. That's flash your lights. And then jake brake there. Tilt steering on it. It does have dual power windows. Has power mirrors. Looks like they both work. And then it does have mirror heat. Heater does work in this thing. Get the shifter in the way. Try the wipers. Wipers work. And it does have water in it. The sprayers do work. Turn signals work. These do have a little LED turn signals, LED headlights, so it's kind of nice that way. If you look on the hood is in great shape. They had a piece of chrome that went the length of the hood, and that came off. So you have the residue from that glue that's on there. So you need to buff that off, leave it the way it is, or put another piece of chrome on there. Radio. Radio works. All I can think about was my. In the sleeper, it's got side windows plus the rear window, which makes it nice. I think I measured about a 60-inch sleeper on it. Does have a fridge. Does have a TV. Not sure if the TV's going with the truck or not. They haven't said anything to me. But so may or may not. I'm not sure. Overall, looks like a really nice truck. It shifts. Seems to shift good. They were running this truck, and I think they still might be running this truck, so it might have a little more hours on it than what it's got, hours of miles than what it has right now.